Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tuti and you are watching Writing Architect. Today I have a very special video for you. What if I ask you a question? Would you like to stay in a 200 square feet room with a tiny kitchen and a single bathroom? Wait, just don't decide right away. First watch this entire video, decide and then comment your answer below in the comment section. As soon as you enter in the room, on the opposite side you see bathroom door and the room is on the left side. This workspace is on east direction, that means working person will face east. Mandir is placed in the northeast corner. Besides the workspace, you have your fridge, washing machine and microwave. The door beside the window opens up to the kitchen. We have a sofa cum bed here. This louvered storage is made for shoes, main distribution board and electric junction. This is bathroom. Nothing special about it, just a normal combined bathroom with WC, shower cubicle and wash basin. There are lot of overhead storages for space required to dump unused stuff. Now this is a very small kitchen but strategically planned to accommodate 3 trolleys, 2 cylinder and more storage spaces for containers below the platform. We can also have a chimney above cooktop here. On the ceiling, we have cloth drying rods because drying clothes is a matter of high concern. Finally, we have his and her wardrobe on the opposite sides of the TV. I hope you like the video. Do comment your thoughts and I will see you in the next video. Take care.